Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to customize WordPress excerpts, and you won't need to touch any code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to write your own unique summaries for each blog post, so you can control exactly what readers see, no matter which theme you're using. Perfect for making your site look more professional and giving visitors the info you want them to see right away. Let's jump straight in. The first method we'll use is manually adding an excerpt to each post, which is incredibly powerful if you want your summaries tailored for each piece of content. Instead of letting WordPress or your theme automatically grab the first few lines of your post, you'll be telling it exactly what to display. That way you avoid random cutoffs or awkward intros and instead create a summary that hooks readers or gets your main message across. To get started, head to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not familiar, that's the backend where you manage your website. Over on the left menu, click on Posts, then select All Posts. Here you'll see a list of everything you've published or drafted. Find the post you want to edit, maybe it's your latest article, or one that could use a fresher, catchier summary, and click to open it in the editor. Now, once you're inside the post editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the right-hand side, under the Post tab, you should see a section labeled Excerpt. This is your window to add a custom summary. If you're seeing that right away, great, you're ready to go, but sometimes that excerpt box is hidden. Don't worry if it's missing. It's a super common scenario, especially if you've never used this feature before. Look up at the top right corner for the ellipsis icon, those three vertical dots. Click that to reveal a menu, then select Options, or it might say Preferences, depending on your WordPress version. You'll see a bunch of choices that let you tweak what's visible in your editor screen. Scroll until you find Excerpt and make sure it's checked or enabled. Once you do this, your excerpt box will appear. Simple as that. With the excerpt box now visible, this is where the magic happens. Go ahead and type in the summary you want for your post. This could be a punchy description, a teaser, or a quick overview, whatever fits your style and helps draw readers in. For example, if your post is a recipe, you might write easy chocolate chip cookies with a crunchy twist, ready in 30 minutes. Remember, this is what shows up on blog feeds, archives, and search pages, so it's worth spending a minute to get it just right. If you're ever in doubt, think about what would make someone want to click your article. You don't need to stress if your excerpt isn't perfect on the first try. You can come back and update it anytime. Once you're happy with what you've written, click the Update button or Publish if it's a brand new post. WordPress saves your changes, and anywhere the theme uses excerpts, you'll see your custom summary instead of the default. That's all there is to it. Customizing excerpts in WordPress is simple, and the benefits are huge for your website's look and feel. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have any questions or want tips on making better excerpts? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.